The total number of observation in the following distribution table is 120 and their mean is 50. So what have they given in the question? You can see they have given you two things. One, they have given you is that total observation means frequency. F is how much? Sum of all the frequency, we can say. So sigma of F they have given you is 120. Second thing, they have given the mean. So mean is how much? 58. And what do they want from us? They want to calculate what? Find out the missing frequency. You can see in this one 0 to 20. First of all, we have to check is overlapping or not, that is exclusive or not. Yes, 0 to 20, then 20 to 40. Yes, it is. So then we have to okay, the frequency is 17. Here the frequency is missing. Here the frequency is missing. All the other frequencies are given, but we know that sum of all the frequencies is 50. So it will form an equation also. Okay, so let's see how do we solve it. First we have to put the table in it and then we will do it here. See, first thing, the table is the same thing I wrote here, 17, and then we will use the direct method. So first class mark, because 0 20 cannot be 17 like that. Okay, so the class mark of 0 plus 20 divided by 10, 2 is how much? 10. So x is 10. We have to find x in all of these. Once we have found x, after that we will multiply. So 10 into 17 is what? 170. We do not know the frequency, so f1 is there. So f1 into 30 will be 30 f1. 32 into 50 is this much. f2 into 70 is 70 f2, and 19 to 90 is this much here. Then we have to add them up. So when we add it up, what do we get? So see what do we get here. Remember that if you add all of these, see how much you should get. You should get 50 altogether, right? So what is that? 17 plus 32. So let me add it up and write it out here. So first is 17 plus 32 plus 19, 68. We get how much? 68 plus f1 and plus f2, right? So this is what we have here in this first one here, right? In this one, how much will that be? So it is 170 plus 1600 plus 1710, right? So 1710. Let's give it 3480. 3480 plus 30. I'm writing it below, in fact. 30 f1 plus 70 f2. So if you see here, this is the sum of all of these. Now use the direct formula in it. So what is the formula we say? Before we start doing it, we have to convert this into a normal form. Let's see here. What is that? Say we have got, that is sum of all these frequencies, how much? 50. So which means that 68, sum of the frequencies how much? 68 plus f1 plus f2 should be how much? Sorry, 120 they have given here, right? Sum of all the frequencies how much? 120. So if it is 120, let's solve it. So f1 plus f2 is 120 minus 68. So if it is 120 minus 68, how much do we get? 52. So f1 plus f2 is 52. Now we can use the substitution method here. What is f1 in it? f1 will be equal to 52 minus f2. So I will substitute it, okay, or I can say f2 is equal to, because f1 is, say, anything we can do. f2 is equal to 52 minus f1. So we will substitute wherever is f2. Where is it? We can see this is 3480 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. So f2 is here, I can put it. So substituting it here, this value I'll substitute it in this. So what do we get in that fact? If I do that, here we find what? That is 3480 plus 30 F1 plus 70 times 52 minus F1. So why we have done? Because we have reduced it to that one variable in it. Okay, so after that we will solve it. How much do we get? So 3480 plus 30 F1 plus, if you multiply 70 with 52, how much do we get? 70 with 52 will give you 3640 plus 7, it is not plus, it will be minus 70 F1. Now, so I'll put it here. So now we will subtract 3640 from 3480. So minus 3480. So we get here minus, because this is bigger now. Oh, we have to add it, sorry. So we have to add here 3480 plus 3640, 7120. So we get here 7120 plus 30 F1 minus 70 F1 is how much? Minus 40 F1. Simple. Minus 40 F1. So we have, this is nothing but reduced form of f of x. Fx is this much, right? Got it? And this is total of 120 here, remember. So now we'll use the formula. What is the formula that we have? The formula is this here. So formula is mean is equal to summation of f into x upon summation of f. Summation of f of x, how much is that? 7120 minus 40 f1 upon 120, and that is equal to how much? The mean they have given is in the question 50 here. This is the mean. So how much is that? 50. So if I solve this further here, I will find. So this is equal to, say, 7120 minus 40 f1 is equal to 50 into 120. So 7120 minus 40 f1 is equal to 600 and 6,000. I bring it here, so it will be, so 40 f1 is equal to 7120 minus 600. See, I'll bring it this one and this the other side here. So it becomes here. So 40 f1 is equal to, subtract, it will get 1120. Simple. So I can solve it here. Finally, we'll find 40 f1 okay. F1 is equal to 1120 upon 40. It will go how many times? 4 to the 8 and 8 4 the 32. So 28. F1 that we get is 28 in it. So once we have got F1 is 28, I can write it here. F1 is 28, the first answer here. Now we know that F1 plus F2. See, we have the equation above here. F1 plus F2 is how much? 52. So F1 plus F2 is 52. So F1 is how much? 28 plus F2 is 52. So F2 here will be equal to 52 minus 28. So F2 is equal to 24. Okay, so we have got F2 also 24. So missing F1 is 28 and the F2 is 24 as an answer in it. All right.